I work full time and I work a pretty intense job. So like time for me is a real issue. Like I don't only get to work on this evening times and weekends, and just having the ability to be like, to my agent's name is Janice. Hey Janice, there's this order. Can you fix it or sort it out? She just sorts it out. I don't even have to worry about it. She's actually really funny. She even like I have to ask her to send me an invoice so I can pay her, and she doesn't do it. I'm like, can you send me your invoice? Because I don't want to be slapped with a 10K invoice soon.
Yeah, that's super fucking good. That's so good though. That's like such a good relationship to have.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I've had so many different relationships with suppliers, and it's always nice when you actually find a really, really good one. Like I've had ones. It was quite funny. It was ages ago. It was like 2 years ago. We did maybe $250,000, $300,000 with one supplier for one winner. And I think it was even less than that. But for Christmas, my profile picture on WeChat is my cat. And he painted a picture of my cat and FedExed it all the way from China to my house for a Christmas present. Like, it's the most random thing ever. When you find a good one, it's always really fulfilling.
I'll tell you a funny story about our agent. I'm pretty sure she loves Stuart. She's like fully into him. It's quite funny actually.
Bro, I get DMs all the time from people like flirting with CJ agents, flirting with their agents, like the dumbest shit. But like, there's one guy that sends me messages every like 4 or 5 days, like flirting. It's just messages like him flirting with a CJ agent.
I suppose that's like when you're you're a true Etsy king, when you're able to bang your
Literally
agent
bang
and then a customer as well.
Oh, shit. No, but they were like talking about flying out and meeting up in
really?
person. Like I was
He's
like
gone for
making a full fucking wifing her up.
He's soon gonna have kids in China soon. He's gonna hit that warehouse game, you know.
It's literally the most random shit ever. Like what the fuck, fucking risen up a fucking CJ agent.
Hilarious, bro.
Makes no fucking sense.